Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a cellular issue. Your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data or make and receive or calls or messages. So if you see this kind of error on your iPhone while you use it, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again. And here what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether you have an inserted physical SIM and it is working properly. So what you have to do, you have to simply remove your SIM and insert it again. So in this way, you can simply check whether your SIM is working properly or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power button, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset. And after clicking on reset, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after you are resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are not traveling internationally, because sometimes your physical SIM may not work in other countries. So you have to make sure about that. So if you are traveling, there may be chances that there may be signal problem. So that's why you are unable to use a cellular network. So in this way, you can simply check for the solution. If the problem is again still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. You can also go to the Apple discussion and check whether this problem is occurring to you or other iPhone users are facing the same problem. And you can also check how they solve their problem. In this way, you can also solve your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you're gonna get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.